Hello everyone, my name is Zikang Chan, the expert tutor of Performance Management PM. In this video, it will be focusing on one of the syllabus, which is a core syllabus area in the examinations on performance management, building block model. The following discussions on the building block model will be mainly referring to the following resources from the official ACCA website. That's including the Study Hub from Chapter 16, in particular Section 16.2, followed by technical article, which relating to building blocks of performance management. Finally, students are highly encouraged